Good morning and welcome to another special edition of the Crypto Wave. We're joined again today by CEO of JP Morgan, Dimon. Jamie, thanks for joining us again. Mate, since last time we spoke, the crypto economy has gone from strength to strength. How do you feel about Bitcoin gaining wider acceptance?
But this is the last time I'm ever going to answer a question about Bitcoin because I really don't care.
Okay, champ. It's clear the success of blockchain has you a little upset.
You're a criminal.
Name calling. Very nice, Jamie.
I mean that.
Back off, Dimon, you dickhead, or I'll break the other arm. Let's move on. Last time we spoke, you revealed your plans for global domination. Are there any new countries on your list?
And if you live in Venezuela, North Korea.
Okay. Anywhere else?
Country. Cuba.
And how are you going to manage that?
And take them out.
Interesting. Well, you're obviously going to need to acquire a lot more wealth to achieve that. Last time we spoke, you did admit to manipulating the Bitcoin markets. Do you have any plans to, or are you currently manipulating any fiat markets?
At cryptocurrency, dollar, so crypto, sterling, euro, yen.
Okay, well, fiat manipulation is something that's been rumoured for a long time. It's good to have some concrete evidence, but don't you fear some backlash after admitting it?
I don't know why I said anything about it.
Yeah, it is a little risky considering you recently announced your plans to be president. So why do you want to be head of government?
Governments like to know where the money is, who has it, and what you're doing with it. And in case you haven't noticed. Okay? And governments like to control their currency.
Yeah, I know, but to me this seems paradoxical. In a democratic society, the government's supposed to represent the will of the people. How do you feel about the will of the people?
Governments are going to crush it one day.
Yeah, I actually don't doubt that they'll try, but to me, this sort of action is just going to further promote blockchain and Bitcoin and the people power that it's represented by. Look, we'll move on to something else. I wanted to get your thoughts on some social issues. How do you feel about investing into developing countries to get a more even spread of wealth throughout the world?
I don't personally understand the value of something that has no actual value.
Interesting. How about helping out returning war veterans?
I don't personally understand the value of something that has no actual value.
Increased assistance for single parents?
I don't personally understand the value of something that has no actual value.
How about equal pay for women?
I don't personally understand the value of something that has no actual value.
Equal rights for minorities?
I don't personally understand the value of something that has no actual value.
Right. Well, I think you're going to have made a lot of people pretty upset with this interview. This hasn't been our most productive discussion. Is there any chance we could end on a positive note?
You all can do whatever you want, and I don't care. Okay?
Yeah, very mature, Jamie. You know, part of me feels like you're saying all this just so you can try and manipulate the price of BTC again.
God bless the blockchain.
Yeah, I expected as much. But look, honestly, the plan looks to have failed this time. The retracements don't look to be coming. So how do you plan to get your hands on more Bitcoin?
My formerly smart daughter.
Wait, so you plan to steal 2 BTC from your daughter?
But my daughter sent me an email saying, Dad, I own 2 Bitcoins.
Yeah, look, I don't know why you're laughing. I think you're going to have lost a whole lot of respect after admitting to that.
Yes, I could care less.
Well, very honest as usual. A big thanks to Jamie Dimon for joining us again and keeping the Crypto Wave investment crew up to date with his plans for global domination. Thank you to all the regulars for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you each and every day at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Take it easy. Fish out. See ya.